48 products to go in 5 months' time. Let's see how I've done this month with Empties. This is actually a bit late, but you know, I got caught up in all the advent calendar and other videos that the Empties sort of suffered. So off we go. Cleansers first. Sonia Daka Silver Clarifying Wash. I bought this back when I had very severe acne. Absolutely beautiful little cleanser, second cleanser or standalone morning cleanser. Contains colloidal silver, which is great for acne. Packaging has changed since. Will I repurchase? I've already got another one. Next we have Bioderma's Micellar Water. This is the 500ml bottle and I've already got another one. This is my absolute favorite HG cleansing water. Makeup, believe it or not, I have finished my first foundation. Estee Lauder Double Wear, the shade is Tawny. Will I repurchase? Already have. This is a very good foundation. Don't buy the Double Wear Water Fresh Nude version if you are oily skinned, if you have blemishes or scars. That's sheer, that's greasy. On me, it was awful. I bought it and gave it to my mother. This one, very good for oily skin. Cleansing Balm, Omorovitsa Thermal Cleansing Balm, all gone. Will I repurchase? No, way too greasy a cleansing balm, and I prefer cleansing oils to cleansing balm. They're a lot lighter, they do the job better, and they're more hygienic. You don't have to keep dipping your fingers in the spot, you know, they come in pump bottles, which my dad then takes away for his gardening club. Acid, Biologic Research, Lotion P50W. P50 is the sort of OG, you know, and P50W is the milder version, supposedly. My skin is used to very strong acids and prescription retinol, mind you, and I find this harsh and stinging, so I can only imagine how much the P50 stings. Will I repurchase? Already have, always will. This is great if you have active acne. Alongside it, I've been using, under Biologic Research recommendation, the Complex Iribiol Serum. All gone. This is a very runny serum for acne-prone skin, and it contains zinc and salicylic acid for acne, and I think it's worked beautifully at you know, curbing and reducing my steroidal breakout. Will I repurchase? Yes. Well, right now I don't have acne. When I do, I will definitely repurchase. And the reason I'm holding off is while I do want to have a medicine bottle like this in my cabinet all the time, the thing is, you know, the expense. This is rather expensive for this size. You know, this is 30 mils. For this, you know, you get 150 mils. Do the math. I'd rather have, you know, repurchase this than this. This I will buy again, definitely, if I get acne. When I get acne, my skin is still acne prone. Mist is next. Pyongyangul Mist Toner. Ideal for layering, and very lightweight. Contains nothing that can possibly break you out. This or the Essence Toner. Essence Toner is thicker. I like using both in my routine. You know, this for spritzing, sandwiching more and more hydration, and that, you know, as a proper essence. So as you can see, all gone. And the P50W, all gone. Serum is next. This is a hyaluronic acid serum. Elizavika Witch Piggy Hell Pore Control. Hyaluronic acid, 97%, comes in this cute external box. And inside, the bottle looks like this. All gone. Now, one thing I really like is that Korean serums often come in 50 ml or, you know, 60 ml or larger bottles rather than 30 ml bottles. That is something that I like. Will I repurchase? Not right now. I'm using the Hada Labo hyaluronic lotions, layering those, and they're very hydrating indeed. So I will be repurchasing this eventually, not right now. Moving on to Bath & Body Lip Balm, Smith's Strawberry Lip Balm. I absolutely love the Smith Rosebud Salve. Huge lifesaver when, you know, your lips are very dry and stressed out and flaky. Very nice product. The original Rosebud Salve. Will I repurchase this? No, I prefer the original Rosebud Salve. Hand Chemistry Hand Cream from the Chemistry brand. Part of DCM. Will I repurchase? This is supposed to be the UK's best-selling hand cream, and I must say that I wasn't really impressed. There are better hand creams out there, including the Clarins hand and nail treatment cream, which apparently is beloved by Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II. So this one I won't be repurchasing. Very disappointing. I don't know why it was so hyped. Shower gel, Lancome invigorating body cleansing gel came with a gift with purchase from Lancome. Liked it, nice and refreshing in the mornings. Will I repurchase? No, nothing very special, and I am trying to move to soaps for the sake of the environment. Body butter, Marks and Spencer Royal Jelly Pure Honey Body Butter. Will I repurchase? Absolutely. No, because it's beyond brilliant. I prefer the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Boom Boom Cream, but the Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom Cream is £45, and this one from M&S, I've forgotten how much it was. £4, £5, £3.50. Oh well, I'll write that down in the description box below if I remember. It's very, very, very inexpensive. Easier to find. You don't have to order online like you do with the Boom Boom Cream. Just walk into an M&S. Very, very soothing. No parabens, no problems. Very nice. So will I repurchase? Absolutely will. Perfume, Nux Prodigio perfume spray. Believe it or not, I actually managed to finish a full one. Smells just like their dry oil, which in turn smells of shortbread or cupcake batter. That's what it smells like. Absolutely brilliant. Will I repurchase? No, I have way too many perfumes to finish up, so not right now. Hair is next. This is the R&Co Acid Wash ACV Cleansing Rinse. Came in a GWP from Be Glowing. Loved it. I only co-wash my hair. I avoid shampoo wherever possible. And this was absolutely lovely. Made my hair far less frizzy, so it's a lot frizzier right now. Or maybe it's the weather, humidity, I don't know. Very nice. Will I repurchase? Maybe. Let me check out the cost and everything. Then we'll see. Phyto Keratin Extreme Exceptional Cream for Ultra Damaged Hair. Again, a product that I am missing now that it's all gone. This came, I think, in a Look Fantastic beauty box. And it was, you know how these creams, the after wash creams, the leave-in creams, tend to weigh down your hair or make it greasy. This one didn't do any of that. It actually controlled frizz beautifully and provided a lot of hydration to my hair. Loved it. Will I repurchase? Yes, I will. Finally, a mask. Virtue Alpha Keratin Mask. All gone. Will I repurchase? No, I don't think it did anything at all to my hair. So, 17 products used up. I had 48 to go for the rest of this year. And that leaves me with 31 products to finish up in 4 months. Stay tuned to find out if I get there in 2019, which I think I will actually. Just 31 products to go, and I average about 15 a month. So do subscribe to my channel to stay tuned with my project plan progress. That's all from me for today, and I'll speak to you in my next video.